Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Reza and in this video I want to show you how you can mix and master your lo-fi beats. In this video I want to show my method. Of course there's a lot of methods and styles and processing that you can mix and master your beats. Mix and master is a complicated thing. I didn't go to class. I just learned from YouTube and some courses that I take. And so sorry if something went wrong. I did something that I shouldn't do, but this is the way I do and I really like it, and I hope you like it too. But before we jump into the video, please hit the like button if you like a video, if you enjoyed this video, and of course leave a comment, let me know what you want to see in the next video, and of course hit the subscribe button, because it's really helped me out. Come on guys, help your brother. What you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button, come on. Okay guys, so this is a project that we're gonna mix and master. Before I mix and master it, because I know my PC is weak, and if I want to open a VST or plugin, it's gonna crash, or I don't know, something is gonna happen. So I said let's before mix and master it and then record the video. By the way, I'm gonna leave this project with everything in it in a zip file in the description. If you want, you can go and get it, but on one condition, that just subscribe the channel. Come on, just subscribe the channel, bro. I'm kidding. If you like, just subscribe the channel. Okay, so as you can see, this is our project, so let's listen to this. I know, it's fire, Oh my god, what a confidence I have, you see? Yeah. So first of all, let's go to our mixer. So this is our mixer, clean and neat. As you can see, I organize everything. I mean, this is my instruments that all of these are routed to the instruments bus. This is our drums that's routed to our drums, and the bass, noise down, noise up, chims, rain, vinyl, and of course I have a reverb channel that this is a good way so you don't have to open on any channel a reverb. You just send this, and I think it's really easy and it's really good. The important part is the sound selection. You should select the good sounds that match with each other, and don't fight with each other, for example in some frequencies. And then is the volumes. Of course you try to volume these. For example, I don't know, this is the volume that I did on this my track. For example, my kick, see. For some tutorials I saw, they was saying your kick should, I don't know, go around here, I mean 6, but I didn't. I tried it, I tried it, I didn't like that. I don't know why, but yeah, I think this one is better. So just try to find your way. In the old days I watch tutorials, mix and mastering, and I just did that processing in my own project, and I didn't get good result. I didn't get good result, and yeah, then I said, let me do this, let me do that, and I really like this, and yeah. So I put kick in here. I have two, I don't know, clap and rims. In a kick, on a kick channel, we have a 40 parametric EQ, which I cut the high frequencies and a little bit of low frequencies. I don't know this is the right or wrong way, but I like this. And then I reduce a little bit of this 150 hertz. The boxiness, if you listen to this place, you can hear I don't like that sound, so I just reduce this, not too much. This one is good. And then I got this plugin VST called the Glue. I think it's Glue compressor that we have in Ableton. FLCD doesn't have this one, by Cytomic. It's really good. I usually go to presets, to drum kick, and I choose this one outside the boomy, and I just play with the threshold. So see, something around 4. it's add that punchiness, you know, to your kick. And of course we have hi-hat loop and percussion loops that if you notice, I pan this a little bit. I don't know, something about 40% to left and this one 35% to the right. And this is our drums basically. And this is, you know, our melody. This is our first guitar that I use. I love guitar, honestly. I love guitar. I think it's really amazing. Of course, piano is good too, but I love guitar. So let's listen to this guitar. And all process that I do, I just, you know, I just open this equalizer on it and just something like that. And I just connect this to the reverb channel. Let me open this one. And our, you know, second guitar. Woo. This is really amazing. The speed is really amazing. And look what I'm doing. I'm just giving this free so you can use it, and all thing that you can do, just subscribe to channel, bro. I mean, come on. Oh my god, I'm talking too much. I know, I'm sorry. Okay, and this is, I don't know what is this one. It says guitar layer. I don't know, it doesn't sound like guitar, but I like it. I don't know, it's sort of, I don't know, something like vocal, I think, something like that. This doesn't sound guitar, but it was saying it was guitar. So, and all I did is, again, I just opened a, you know, parametric EQ, and as you can see, I, you know, did something like this. And I, you know, I connect this to our reverb channel, and in this one I, you know, open an equalizer, just cut high and, you know, the low, so our bass and these doesn't get fight with each other. You see, these, our frequency don't get fight with each other. And this is all I did for, you know, our instruments. Okay, let's listen to our bass. Okay, for our bass, I just open equalizer, and of course I cut this one, you know, for not, you know, I don't want our mix get too muddy, and then I cut the high frequencies, and I, you know, reduce this frequency 53 hertz, because, you know, this is the, I think this is the place I watched. Actually, I watched this from a course, and I don't know, he did that. It says that this place, it's a place that our kick and bass, you know, fight with each other in the frequency. So yeah, I did this. I don't know if it's wrong or true, but it's good. It's good. So if you want, you can try it. And then I add this fruity blood overdrive, which I think it's, I don't know, it's kind of sort of distortion, I don't know, saturator, what you want to say. By the way, it's stuck, you can do it, and yeah, it adds some, you know, high frequency to this one. And of course I sidechain our kick to this. So if you know how, if you don't know how, you just, you know, just right click on this one and sidechain to this track, and you open Fruity Limiter and go to this one and choose kick. So whenever our kick hits, the bass goes down. The purple one, you know, this purple, this is the place that our kick hits. Woo, what a beat! Beautiful. And of course, don't forget, you know, put your kick in mono, and of course your bass. And of course I sidechain the kick to our instrument bus like I did in the bass. You just right click, sidechain, go to instrument, and open the Fruity Limiter and just right click, and you know, there's a bunch. You just you select kick, and this is why you should, you know, name your channels, your tracks, I mean guitar, kick, so you don't get lost. Okay, so I choose this one, and I didn't go too much. Nice. And of course we have noise down, noise up. If I go here, and for this one I just play with the volume, and I add a lot of reverb. And for the noise up, like that, just a lot of reverb. That's it. So let's listen to this. Woo! Of course I add the chimes in here, so let's listen to this. If you listen with a headphone, and if you look at this place, I add automation clip, but it's for panning. And if you listen with headphone, you can really get that. And of course we have vinyl and rain. These are the essence of lo-fi. So let me turn this on. The rain comes in here. I use rain in I don't know, it's bridge, I don't know, something like that, in an intro, in this place, and in an outro, of course. And if you notice, I add some volume automation, so it doesn't come suddenly, and it doesn't go away suddenly, something like that. Sorry, my English is over, my English is done. Okay, let's listen to this again. The rain's coming. Oh, and also if you notice, I did a mono a little bit in here. I don't know, maybe 60%, something like that. Okay guys, so this was our mixing process. This was the way that I did for this beat. And of course there's a lot of method, there's a lot of ways that you can mix your beats. But to sum up this process, I had to say, first you need to choose good sound selection. You need to do that. Second, leveling your sounds. I mean, which sound you want to be louder. And yeah, the leveling part is really important. You can find I think a lot of tutorial about this leveling section. And then you use, I don't know, equalizer, so our frequencies doesn't fight with each other. And then I think there's effects, I mean reverb and delay and something like that. And this is the whole mix process. And I want to show you my master process, which is really embarrassing. So just please don't make fun of me, and please don't judge me, okay? So let's go to our mastering channel. I know. I know this really sucks. I mean, bro, come on. Oh my god, this is really embarrassing. I only, first of all, when I start making beats, I watch a lot of tutorial mix and mastering. They did a lot of complicated things in our, their master channel, I don't know, equalizer, limiter, multiband compressor, lot of things. And I was, oh my god, what was that? What was this? And especially because my PC is big, I can't do a lot of those things. So I don't know. I just one day I was looking to FL Studio plugins, VSTs, and I just said, oh, Maximus, let's try this. And I just opened it and I just select the preset, and I really like it. I mean, I really like it. I mean, the problem is with me. I don't know. Let me know, guys. This is the preset that I choose mostly. Go to preset and I choose Clear Master or Clear Master RMS. I just see which one is good, and yeah, it's done. I know. Sorry guys, it's done. So let's see how it's gonna happen. me turn off this and see what's happened. See? So if we want to be honest, actually Maximus does a great job. I really like it. So I like this. Okay guys, so this was our video about how you can mix and master your lo-fi beats. I hope you liked this video, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something from it. Please don't forget, just hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see in the next video, and of course subscribe to the channel. It's really important. If you wanna me be happy so you can download this project, please subscribe to the channel. By the way, yeah, the project link is in the description. You can get it, use it, and yeah, I hope you do something with it. Just make something masterpiece. I know this was trash. I know this was trash. So till the next video, I'm out. Peace.